India's top business news in today's edition are: Supriya Life Science files IPO papers with SEBI. Supriya Life Science Limited has filed preliminary papers with capital market regulator SEBI to raise Rs 1,200 crores through an initial public offering. The IPO comprises fresh issues of equity shares worth Rs 200 crore and an offer for sale of up to 1,000 crore rupees by its promoter Satish Vaman Wagh, according to the draft red hearing prospectus. ICICI Security and Axis Capital have been appointed as merchant bankers to advise the company on the IPO. Moving on to the next news for today. Devyani International set to join Mega IPO Fest. Major quick service restaurant player Devyani International, which operates popular brands like KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee in India, has filed for a 1,400 crore rupees IPO with SEBI. The IPO will be a combination of fresh issue worth Rs 400 crore and an offer for sale of around 125 million equity shares. Devyani International's IPO will provide a partial exit to RJ Corporations and Dunan's IPO Investment, which is wholly owned subsidiary for Tamse. Devyani International's IPO will be the third QSR IPO in the last 6 months after Burger King and Barbecue Nation. Moving on to the next news for today. Adani Green Energy to buy SB Energy India for $3.5 billion in country's largest renewable deal. Adani Green Energy Limited has acquired 5 gigawatts of renewable power portfolio from SB Energy India for a fully completed enterprise evaluation of $3.5 billion, according to the regulatory statement. SB Energy India is a joint venture between Japan-based SoftBank Group Corporation and Bharti Group, who held 80% and 20% stake respectively. SB Energy India has a total renewable portfolio of 4,954 megawatts spread across 4 states in India. The transaction marks the largest acquisition in renewable energy sector in India, according to Adani Green Energy Limited. Moving on to the next news for today. Car Trade is the first auto classified marketplace in India to file an IPO. Car Trade has filed for an IPO, becoming the first auto classified marketplace to do so in India. The company plans to raise around Rs 2,000 crore via IPO. The company has filed its draft red hearing prospectus with SEBI. There is no fresh issue of shares and IPO consists of pure offer for sale of around 12.3 million equity shares. Car Trade Tech Limited is backed by Tamse, Warburg Pincus, March Capital and JP Morgan amongst others. The IPO is expected to facilitate a partial exit for the company's investors. That's all for today. We will be back with more interesting business stories soon. Till then, stay safe.